Drones are cool and all, but this is the future of deliveries. Forget drones, this is the future of deliveries. Meet the giant robotic stork that brings babies to the world in 3025. This fully autonomous flying machine will bring babies to your door in under 10 minutes. No more waiting for delivery. The robotic stork will use AI to navigate the skies, avoiding obstacles and traffic. The AI will also allow it to land and take off from small spaces like your apartment balcony. No more need for a big house with a large backyard. You can now live in a small space in the city and still have a baby. The robotic stork will be able to carry multiple babies at once, so you won't have to worry about running out of storks. And if you want to see your baby being born, you can watch the entire delivery on your phone. The high-definition camera on the stork will give you a first-person view of the delivery as it happens. You'll be able to see your baby for the first time without even leaving your home. But what if there's an emergency? Don't worry, the robotic stork has got you covered. If there's an emergency, the stork will automatically land at the nearest hospital and deliver the baby to the emergency room. The stork will then return to your home to pick up any items you may need for the baby, such as diapers and formula. The future is here and it's time to start taking advantage of it. With the robotic stork, you won't have to worry about the delivery of your baby ever again. So sit back, relax, and let the storks do the work. In 2025, the robotic stork will be available to everyone, regardless of where you live or how much money you make. It doesn't matter if you reside in a small apartment in the city or a big house in the suburbs. The robotic stork will be able to deliver your baby safely and efficiently. So say goodbye to long waits and hello to the future of deliveries. Your baby will arrive when you need them to, no matter what. Thank you for listening. Please like and share this video if you think it's cool. We'd really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any of our awesome videos.